My name is Gary Lowell. I'm from New Jersey. My teeth weren't the best. And I saw Dr. Sperling at my brother's house and we started to talk, told him about my problem. He says, come to the office, let me look at your teeth. And they said, if you come to him, he'll give you a very good deal. So I said, can't pass up a good deal. So I came to his office, he looked at my teeth and he says, well, this is what we decided to do. We take all the rest of your teeth out, maybe there were 6 more teeth, and we give you implants, the whole top. So that's what I did. I have a nice smile and I'm very happy with it. Even though I'm an hour away, it's worth it to come to see Dr. Sperling. The staff is great, the ambiance is great, everybody's so friendly and everything. He's a great dentist and he makes you look nice. He told me what I had to do the night before and then the day of, he gave me the prescriptions to calm me down. And I'll be honest with you, I mean, I was always afraid to come to a dentist because of the pain. He said, you're gonna be here for 4 or 5 hours. I had no pain whatsoever for the procedure when he took out my teeth. And even the night I went home after my surgery, I had no pain whatsoever. So I call him the pain-free doctor. My reaction was, it was nice. It was nice, a nice smile. I even took pictures and sent them out to my Facebook friends. And they all said, oh, you have a beautiful smile, Gary. Where did you do it? I said, well, if you come to Florida, I could introduce you to my doctor, Dr. Sperling. He's the dentist. Well, you know, in the past, I heard that, you know, when you have implants, some places you go and they pull your teeth and then they leave you without teeth. But here I was very surprised that they make the teeth actually in the office. After he pulled all my teeth and he cleaned everything out and he put the implants in, then he put my regular teeth in. My temporaries procedure, I think, was perfect. There was no waiting period. I came in with my old teeth at 9 o'clock in the morning. I left about 4 o'clock in the afternoon with my new teeth, with a smile. I really recommend Dr. Sperling for implants. He seems like he wants to know everything that's going on, any new procedures. As a matter of fact, that first day I came to see him, I was the first patient on his new x-ray machine, the one that takes the circumference of your head. So I was very happy with everything. He wants to be the best in the field, not just a fly-by dentist that says, okay, we put implants in. He wants to be the best, having the best patients, and he gets a good review. And he just wants to show the world what he does, and he wants to know the best way to do it.